just because she feeds me well, and she made me talk dirty in a pink hotel. It doesn't mean she's got eyes for me. She might just want my bones, you see. And hey, flyhead, don't you get me? She's the second best killer that I ever have seen. It don't come much more sick than you. I can go on and you want me to. It's just so wrong, so very nice. And I told you once and you killed me twice. Saw you one time on the back of the club, chewing on glass on the ticket stub. Said I heard you kick the boy till he bled. And you stood and said, oh my God, till she said, on the back of the wall. I chose to be